Welcome back. Rico Money Bags, the channel helping you invest in yourself so we can invest in the future. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. For those that are new, make sure you guys take advantage of the Money Bags Mansion link down below. If you guys were in that mansion, I called this as a money bag alert, which I'm still calling right now. It's still not late for Duko. This is still a money bag alert, but you would have caught this one early and you'd be up crazy right now. We're going to jump right into this video. We're not going to waste too much time. You guys saw the thumbnail, the comparisons of Duko and Sheep, and we're going to talk about prices. But before the prices, right, the technical analysis, the comparisons and market caps, and the possibilities of your Duko bag. First off, another thing, this Duko community, let's get this video to 100 likes. You guys been going crazy on every single Duko video that I've been pushing. So let's make this one no different. So we got right here, we're on Bitmart, so that's bullish, right? More exposure. We're pumping like crazy. You guys are gonna love the charts. Those who are in the Money Bags Mansion, you guys already know. I'm sure you guys seen your portfolio pumping, and that's why I talk about not putting in more than you're willing to lose, right? Because then somebody like me, I can keep dropping videos, I can keep, being active in spaces, participate in AMAs, and I can leave my Duko bag chilling and really not have to worry about it. And you're going to see exactly why I'm not worried about it. When we start comparing these market caps, you're going to start to connect the dots and read in between the lines that we got some real huge upside potential. And right now, I've been listening to a lot of things that Gotbit has to say, and Gotbit has been saying that Solana wants to support meme coins. It is bullish for Solana to have project after project entering into the billion-dollar market cap. And I want you guys to let me know down in the comments below, do you believe that Duko has what it takes to break into that billion-dollar market cap? This is what the chart is looking like. Yes, we're talking about all-time highs. If you guys got in and you guys did not fade, this is going to be a common theme on the channel. Right? A lot of ups and downs. Yeah, we talk about things in the short term, how to practice, how to, get in on supports. But if you only put in what you're willing to lose, that you don't care about it, right? You're not putting in your rent, you're not putting in your car note money. You can hold and you hodl for real. And this is what you have right here. An amazing breakout, cruising at $12.1 million market cap, 5,500 holders. $4.5 million in trading volume. That's the type of volume that makes bigger and bigger exchanges pay attention. It won't take much for us to get into the hundred of millions of market cap. And then we're talking about some serious exchanges. Exchanges are starting to realize that they want these meme coins, okay? The volume is king. They notice the volume. They want the volume on their exchanges. And that opens up arbitrage opportunities for people. And people, right, the ones who are market makers, pay attention to this. So if they have something with Duko on their exchange, a big exchange that seems like it has a solid community, it's not going to go nowhere, then they're listed on the exchange because they want to make that money too. It's a win-win situation. So looking at Duko right now, let's go ahead and mark the all-time high, and then we're going to get into some crazy numbers. If you made it to this part of the video, shout out to you. You're really working to become a future millionaire. And make sure that you guys, understand that the average millionaire has 7 streams of income. So you should have 7 different wallets. That's what I do. I got more than that, to be honest with you guys. I got my blue chips, I got my meme coins, I got 2 cold wallet storages. And I'm looking to get another cold wallet storage because those 2 that I had were Nano S wallets, and that's another topic for another video. But I'm looking to switch that up very soon. If you guys know some cold wallet storages that you guys are bullish on, let me know down in the comments. Now, here comes some juicy stuff. We're going to get into, this all-time high. We're going to talk about where we can load up, but let's get into some fun, right? Let's get into fun, and then we'll talk about, why it's important to load up on supports. This is for the short term, but why we're looking really good for the long term on Duko. The videos are going crazy. The prices are going crazy. The engagement with the community is going crazy. So we are bullish. If you had $5,000 in Duko right now, and Duko reach current, that's what 5 grand. If you did the DCA game, right? If you saw Duko pump in and you rode this, and we talked about all-time highs, and it pulled back, maybe you took profits over here, it pulled back, you bought back in, you got some DCA game in, you saw some resistance, maybe you saw the community start to build, and out of nowhere, boom, it just goes kind of crazy. It's amazing how the markets are pumping with Bitcoin touching all-time highs. I believe that Solana will possibly reach $1,000 in this bull cycle, and that is going to be a ton of exposure for all the projects on Solana. So if you have $5,000 in, smash the like button if you made it this far. Make sure the bell notification is lit. If you got $5 in and we reach current prices of SHIB, we're talking about $7.5 million. That's crazy. Now let's talk about all-time highs, right? If Duko reached the all-time highs of SHIB, we're talking about 16 million point six. That is crazy right there. And these are things that can happen because right now with Bitcoin breaking its all-time highs and markets going kind of crazy, no guru, no YouTuber, no influencer can really tell you exactly what's going to happen. Special things are happening with Bitcoin ETFs, potential ETH ETFs in the future. Who knows? Maybe Solana, right? They want the action. They want all this trading volume. But if you got $5,000 in Duko right now and you hodl that thing to reach, Shiba Inu's all-time high, which Shiba Inu is trying to reach right now, that's 16 million. If it reaches current Shiba Inu prices, we're talking about 7 million. And that's current. We don't have to wait for current. We can wait before and snatch a cool meal off the table. So the name of the project is Duko, man. Make sure you guys tap in. Make sure you guys like the video. I'm doing this for the culture. I'm doing this for us. 30-minute chart. Let's check this out. We see some support. I mean, exactly what you want, right? Prior resistance becoming future support. Prior resistance becoming future support. And we have that playing out right now. Those in the money bag mansion, man, you guys are looking good right now. We are doing really, really well. I mean, this is a lot of fun. Obviously, we're not going to be perfect all the time, but man, we have been on fire. And I'm excited to be, leading that charge for this community. So right now, anything within this price zone, just deleting a zero is bullish. Loading up before that, obviously breaking all-time high would be the next level. Breaking into the twos, that's going to be the next zone. Breaking into the twos, that's going to be our next zone, because it's going to be delete a zero, so we have the one. Then it's going to be 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, and so forth. So breaking into the two in the short term is going to be super bullish. Breaking over $15 million market cap is really that threshold we're looking at. And breaking into that $20 million market cap is going to be that next zone. Right now, we're working on getting past that $15 million market cap, which is a psychological barrier. It basically works as like $5 million market cap, $10 million market cap, $15 million market cap, $20 million market cap, and so forth. So right now we're going to break past that $15 million market cap. That's when things are going to get more bullish. Going to go ahead and push towards that $20 million market cap, which I believe that Duko has what it takes to do. You guys let me know down in the comments. Are you guys going to hold, to see a $7 million bag right now that we're in this bull cycle? Now we can say we're in the bull run. We don't have to say bull market no more. Bitcoin has broke its all-time high. Are you willing to hold to the end of 2025, to the end of 2026, maybe 2028? Maybe if it's a super cycle, who knows? And we just go and skip the halving right up, and we just go another 4 years in like a double bull cycle, like gold did when it became an ETF. Gold ran up for 8 years, so Bitcoin can run up for 8 years, and that means everything else can run up for 8 years and really print a millionaire. So if you guys are bullish on this project, if you guys have been doing really good in the Moneybags Mansion, this one's not finished. I believe that this one's going to keep pumping. If you believe this one's going to keep pumping, get this video to 100 likes. Make sure the community engaged with it. Send it. Let's go viral for sure. Let's go hard. I'm pumped up, as you guys can tell. We're doing really good. Continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.